What's up, people? The weather is horrible today. It's way past the summer, but finally we're going for the prop shaft, and I might be finally able to put it together. Let's see what kind of challenge is ahead of me. I'm hoping nothing major, because only what is left on that manual swap is to put the prop shaft, bleed the clutch again, and button up everything, and then put the Atemu on it. But in order to have it raw, basically what we need is just bleed the clutch and put the prop shaft on. Guys, we are on the spot at PropTech, picking up our prop shaft. Let's go in. Alright guys, so we are here picking up the prop shaft from PropTech, and it looks amazing. I think it looks amazing. It's all custom, isn't it? Yeah. Can you explain a little bit about it, please? So what's this?
Just a sliding joint at the back, so that you've got movement. If you've got any movement in the prop, you need.
Oh, okay.
You need compensation. Okay. So your working length, which will be in the middle. So any movement you get.
So it's foolproof. Yeah. Foolproof. So which one is the front? This is the front?
Yeah, that's the BMW flange.
Okay. Okay, that's the BMW part. So we have 4 mounts, yeah.
Well, there's only 3.
3.
3 for you. That one was for me to balance it because I needed another hole on that side.
So I'm using the bigger ones.
Yeah, the 3 12 mils.
Yeah, and the small one was for you
on
too.
the back you've got the 3 because I've got an adapter for 3 prong on that one. So
that's the Lexus
the 3
one.
12 mil again. Yeah.
Perfect. All right.
That's your Lexus bearing.
Does
took off the other one.
Yeah, that's the original center bearing.
Yeah.
Perfection. The hardware, do I use the original one? Because this is a little bit thinner than the original thing.
They'll be a bit long probably.
Yeah.
I would get some new 12 mil high tensile.
Do you sell those?
We don't do bolts at all.
You don't? Okay. Yeah, this is awesome. Look at that. So we get a yoke on the front. Get our original center bearing from the Lexus. We get this. Perfect. So that's a foolproof. Alright, Derek, thank you for everything.
No, you're welcome.
Awesome job.
Sorry it took so long.
Yeah, it's fine, man. Good things is what to wait for, isn't it?
Yeah, that's right.
And if you wanna, guys, prop shaft, here is PropTech precision prop shafts. Alright, so we got the prop. It's all its length and it's kind of heavy, but it's lighter than the original. Let's go to Blue Door, install the prop shaft. Hopefully they will have a free ramp so we can put the Lexi on and check how it fits and everything. Off we That's alright.
Got a floor?
That's alright.
Sure it's the right size? I'm joking.
Bro. And look at it, it's telescopic, man. Look.
Extendable.
Yeah.
But you wish you had a penis like that, don't you?
Yeah. So yeah, finally he did it. He said it took so long because they didn't have a jig for it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And he had to make one from scratch. So yeah.
At least you got it. Is that the final piece of the jigsaw?
Yeah. That's the final piece, yeah.
The van that's in plate is movable. It's in there tomorrow to have new turbos and stuff like that.
Well,
he's got the final piece of his jigsaw. Sorry.
Hello.
Final piece of your jigsaw. He's got his telescopic MB17 is drivable. just do. Oh, look at this. He wishes he had a penis like that. Extension, it's it. Definitely a grower. Your wife's at the same.
Oh dear.
I'm so good on the tree. Yeah, so the van in Bay 2 is movable today, as long as your car is back out today.
Oh, it will be back out. I just basically what I need to do is just to check if it fits, and that's all. Because I'm coming middle of the day. I don't expect to do anything
Get
today.
prop shaft on in a couple of hours, eh?
Oh yeah, but I still.
Around the estate by like
I need to bleed the clutch.
Don't worry about that. That's supposed to be dirty 11s up the road.
Are you gonna help me? Bleed it?
The Volvo CB07.
Siento la fuerza crecer, ya no me puedo esconder. Las voces que me quieren parar solo me hacen nada. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I've made it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm only facing it all. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step, still hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I weighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I've made it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm only facing it
Drill it wrong.
What?
Did you drill it wrong?
You drilled it wrong.
Yep, look. Fucking dumbass. Or I am dumbass, I'm doing something wrong then.
Just very slightly out, isn't it?
Yep.
I wouldn't imagine it make a difference, but just try moving, say that to there.
Like twist it all around, yeah?
Yeah, just turn it round.
Okay.
Sometimes they have them slightly offset.
Alright guys, bad news, the prop shaft is out again because these holes, they are too close to the sensor. They're literally missing, I would say like 0.3 millimeters this way to be able to align it. The back and the center is perfect, that's its own. But the front part of the gearbox, yeah, that's a little bit off. Alright, let's put it back in the van and bring it back to the boss so he can fix it.